Hey, what's up? We are heading out to the property. I just got a couple quick things to do out here. I got to mark the setback locations, and then I got to mark the four corners of where I think my house is going to be. That way the power company can come out and do their site evaluation. And then hopefully within a month or two, I have power. And by the end of April, I hope to be ordering a house. I'm going to go with a manufactured home versus a barn dominium. It's quick and easy, and by the end of July, I hope to have the house on the property. With some of the numbers I got quoted on barn dominium shells, for them to come put the shell up and then I finish it out myself, it's just unaffordable, especially on a single income. I am doing this by myself, and things get expensive really quick. So manufactured home was the quick and easy way, unless I quit my job and do the full barn dominium shell and all myself, and I can't afford to do that. So with that being said, I will see you guys here in just a second out at the property. All right, here we are. This is the property, and I'm trying out a new gimbal, so I apologize if the camera is a little unsteady or does some weird things. I'm trying to get used to it. But I do have some stakes out here. This is one setback, and that one should be pretty accurate. It's the one over there along that property line, or that side, being that that's a county road. The ordinance said that it's a 75-foot setback, but the zoning guy only said it's a 10-foot setback. So I'm going to go move those stakes. I do have my barn where I thought it was going to be marked out. My house is not marked for whatever reason. I thought I had that marked last year, but I'm just unsure of what angle I want the barn. I know I'm not going to be really building the barn at the same time the house comes, I think. I'm just unsure whether I want it on an angle. I was thinking doing like a slight angle into my garage that's going to be on an angle, and then my house is going to be lengthwise facing that road. That, this is going to be the front. So my house and my barn is going to be more of a wide V, or like a boomerang kind of shape. Or do I just build like an L shape, have my barn, straight this way, that way when I pull up in here, it's a hard 90 into my garage? Or do I just go up in here and do like a 35 or 45 degree angle into my garage? So let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. And if you haven't already, subscribe. So yeah, let's put you guys on the hyperlapse and let's get some things marked out. Alright, we got the four corners marked out. Tried to use my wheel, but apparently it needs batteries. So, good thing I brought the actual tape measure with me. Otherwise, we wouldn't have been able to do anything today because I didn't check the batteries in my
measuring wheel. So, and then I left that stake in right here just because that's going to be the front corner of the garage if I decide to build it at an angle that way. All right, it gives me 10 foot from the back wall to my house, and then up here is going to be however wide it's going to be. Eventually that'll be like a breezeway where it'll be enclosed, so it'll be like an extra storage room, but that's probably a year or two down the road, or whenever I can afford to do that. But now the power company can come out. I think they're going to be dropping a pole on that corner, and then coming up here at the top of that hill where I was doing that dirt work right there, and dropping a pole up there. There's a lot more dirt that has to come out of that hill. I know it really doesn't do it justice on the camera, but there is a lot of dirt that still needs to be moved, and hopefully I can get out here soon with the tractor. Definitely a beautiful area out here. We got a ski resort just down the road. All right, well, that's going to be a wrap to the video. If you guys like this type of content, hit that subscribe button. There's going to be plenty more content like this coming in the future. My next video is probably going to be a septic install over on my dad's property on the other side of those trees. And hopefully we get a good video out of that. So hit the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.